Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Synology DiskStation DS215j, which replaces the award-winning DS215j. Now these 2-bay units are always very popular indeed, and this new model is also faster, lighter and cheaper than the previous model. Now the DS215j features an all-new dual-core CPU, and inside we also get 512 megabytes of DDR3 RAM. Now if we take a look around the back, you can see all of the ports. We've got a fan here to keep the drives cool inside. Now this doesn't come with drives pre-installed. You purchase your own 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch serial ATA drives. Also you can pop in solid state drives if you so choose. Now on the back we've got connections. We've got a new addition to this model, which is a USB 3 port, USB 2 port, gigabit Ethernet and the input for the power supply, which comes inside the box. We've also got a Kensington lock feature should we wish to tether this to a desk. Gives you a bit of added security. If you're putting expensive hard drives in here and you want to secure the whole unit to your desk, then you can do that. Now on the front we've got some status lights for both the unit itself, LAN and the 2 disks, as well as the power on off button. Now, not only does this feature gigabit Ethernet and that new dual-core processor, but it's also floating point unit enabled for multimedia processing. It can act as a DLNA certified media server, and performance-wise, this will actually give you over 111 megabytes per second on read speed and over 87 megabytes potential speed on the writing of data to the drives inside. Now, there's a lot of things that can change that, including the drives that you install, and that's the best case scenario. Now, the thing I like about Synology units is they all run the DiskStation Manager software, which I've covered in previous videos, and it adds so much functionality to these units. It allows you to install apps, to be using this as an iTunes server, for example, a photo manager, mail server, just so many different things. Now, I don't normally quote prices in my videos either, but I do want to mention the price at the time of recording this video. The DS215j is £138 including VAT, and that is cheaper by over £20. I think it's about £24 cheaper than the DS215j. That is absolutely amazing. It means that a NAS device is now accessible to even more people, and I can highly recommend it. It means you can centrally store all of your files and have a backup. If you use this in a certain RAID configuration, you can have disk 1 mirrored to disk 2. It's just a great unit, and it makes everything a lot easier to manage. Even if you use this in a home environment or a small office, maybe you work from home, the ability to be able to store files centrally and then access them on your desktop computer and your laptop computer or a tablet device or smartphone device is absolutely fantastic. This is the Synology DS215j. Thanks very much for watching. Please do hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next one.